residents only. Oh, it's the what? The washing machine. Where's the fucking elevator? Come on. I want to ride. I bet it's a GNS. Gallaher and Speck, yeah. GNS, bam. Oh, hell yes. I love GNS. I fucking love GNS. Literally, these are like the Mitsubishis of hydraulic elevators. Like, they're not always the smoothest, but I've never seen one that was in bad shape. Get our cat view. Look at this. This is awesome. Oh, I think this is what is this? GFA panel, I think. I'm still getting used to the C.J. Anderson buttons. I know this is a CF. I know that's a CF position indicator. Good old GNS. Can never go wrong. That's awesome. Alright, that's it.